when you select lookalikes, we said, well, Facebook is going to help me find other people that are not my clients because I'm asking them for lookalikes of my clients. You know what Facebook does? They say, all right? I'm going to help you find customers that are more likely to buy your products because I want more of your money. And my system knows that the people that buy your stuff already are the most likely to buy your stuff again. So you got to tell Facebook, all right? You got to be like a kindergarten, right? Communicating to your child. You tell them exactly what you want. Because Facebook goes, how does this algorithm, right? This is an algorithm right here. Okay. So an algorithm right here on Facebook is going to go in sequence from highest potential of making you a new client or a repeat client to lowest potential, all right? So at the bottom part of it is people that have never heard about your brand. Cold. They don't even interact with anything related to your brand. That's at the bottom of it. At the top of it is what? Your best clients. The ones that keep on buying from you all the time. So when you tell to Facebook, I want you to help me find, here's a list of 1,000 of my top clients, all right? 1,000. They have bought $200 from our Shopify store in the last year. Help me find people that are like these guys, all right? So Facebook is like, absolutely, I'm going to help you find them. Let's go. Let's roll your best clients. So if you just do that and you ask them for the lookalikes, they're going to go after these guys first, and they're going to go after them hard. Now, because it is on average 7 times easier to get an existing client to buy from you than to get somebody that has never heard from you to buy, let that sink in, right? 7 times easier to get an existing client to buy than to get somebody that has never bought from you to buy from you. Because it is 7 times easier, they can keep on banging that same group of people. This we call it a pocket of people, your best clients. They can keep on hitting them over and over and over again, what they call cannibalize them, right? They just go after them nonstop, and that audience burns. And you can see it on your sales because your sales stay stable or they go low, right? And you can see like more or less a 70-30, right? Rate, which is 70 repeat, 30 new. I even say 40, 60, 60-40, 50-50 is not good. You want to have it, you want to flip it, guys. You want to flip it, all right? If you want to grow an e-commerce brand in today's world, this needs to be 30-70. 70 new. 30% of your sales should be recurring. 70% should be new. That's how you build a real business. So if you don't exclude your lookalikes, if you don't exclude your actual clients and you just say to Facebook, please find me lookalikes of my clients, they first go after this. And when that gets burned, no results, they go after the next one. These ones are the ones that add to cart, right? And then this one gets burned, and then they go on to the next one. It's a ladder for them. And they're going to burn every single one of them until they got no choice but to actually help you find new customers that have never bought from you or that have no idea who you are or that you existed. They keep on going down the hill. They view the listing, and then they go down the hill, right? They keep on going down here. They're on your email list already. They go down the hill. It just goes on. And at some point, once they burn it all, then at that point they say, all right, fine, I guess I got no choice because otherwise you're going to stop giving me money. So I'm going to go and target cold audiences now. And I'm going to actually help you find for the first time people that are unaware that you exist. And that's what I want. In Natural Slim, I want people that have never heard the term Natural Slim. And as big as my dad is in the world of the internet, and how many millions of people that we already have following our stuff, and the fact that we get 800 orders a day from our products, and we have done $1 gazillion in the internet, close to $100 million in revenue so far already. Despite that, it's incredible how big the world is that you don't know how many people don't even know that we exist yet. Most people on the planet have not even heard the word natural slim. Most Latin American people have not heard that word yet. So we're just getting started. It's a big world. But Facebook, even though we have such a big world, this one is the big one right here, right? The cold world is the big one. They will still go after this like that. So you might be saying to yourself, okay, so what's the solution? The solution is very simple. And this is incredibly simple, but at the same time, incredibly logical. When I saw it for the first time, guys, I was like, I just cannot believe that we missed that. I can't believe it. So check this out. You want to actually find lookalikes of your 1,000 best customers? Make sure that you're adding an exclusion of best customers. Wow. If my microphone was not expensive, I would drop it right here. But it's very expensive. I don't feel like going out and buying a new one. Just the marker, right? The marker, I can drop it. So, very simple. Lookalikes of my best 1,000 customers. Guys, I did this wrong myself for a few years, right? And that's why I run into the problem of not being able to consistently get more new clients than trying to get my existing clients desperately to keep on buying stuff from me. And that's not how you build a business. So 1,000 of my best customers, tell Facebook, find me a lookalike of those, all right, great. But please exclude my best customers. I know it's logical, I know it's common sense, but if you don't do this, man, they will not exclude them, and they're gonna go after them first. You gotta exclude all of them. So if you wanna do, guys, if you wanna do a true cold traffic campaign, discovering people that have never discovered you before, you gotta exclude all these guys, right? Best customers, email lists, phone numbers that you already have, exclude them all. Website visitors, exclude them. Video watchers, exclude them. That's going to allow you to get discovered by people that have never found out who you are. And that's the magical secret to growing a business in the e-commerce world, all right?